G'day ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen here, the self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School, best-selling author, I don't mind saying, hopeless to hero, how to hire, train and motivate super employees. Anyway, we're not here to talk about that. We're here to pick our big winner for our Scoop School 10,000 subscriber on YouTube extract pack. Round of applause. Yeah, it's not about me. It's not about me. We had great response with the extract pack competition. So basically, we encouraged basically everybody to go to our website, scoopschool.com, click on the thing, put your details in to win the extract pack. We're going to pick the winner of the extract pack in very dramatic fashion in this video. Before we jump into the big prize though, just wanted to go over again, a lot of great people work towards helping us put this content on very, very regularly. And I really would encourage you to go to scoopschool.com, click on the suppliers tab, and really support those people. Those people are basically paying us to be able to continue to put out good content nearly every day, and we get so much good feedback from all around the country, all around the world, saying that they really appreciate a lot of these tips and tricks and life hacks to help them either open or grow their own ice cream or frozen dessert business. Thank you very much to all of those suppliers. Again, really would encourage you to go to scoopschool.com, check them out, click on the link, look at what they've got to have. Great people who support this process. Okay, now, let's go. We have all of the people who enter this competition in the wheel of the wheel of extract. Doesn't sound very good. What could we call this? The wheel of fun. I know what we'll call it. The extractaganza. Anyway. So we're going to go over to the wheel, click on the wheel and see who the lucky winner. Now, I should say before I jump into that, again, a lot of our suppliers have really come to the fore and said, yes, we'll send samples and different flavors. So the winner of this extract pack is going to get extracts from Waffle Cone Zone, from Green Mountain Flavors, from Lockheed Vanilla, from Nielsen Massey. So very excited. Okay, but that's enough. Come on, let's go. Let's click on the thing. Okay, let's go. Wheel slowing down. The winner is Hui Fam. Hui Fam. He's just like Fam, old Hui Fam. Congratulations. You're going to get a pretty cool extract pack sent to you. We very much appreciate you and everybody who subscribes to the YouTube channel. And if you're watching this and thinking, well, I'd like to get in on the action. I'd like to be on the wheel, the extractaganza wheel, when we hit our 20,000 subscribers. And click on the subscribe button. Really interact with us. We love listening to your comments, reading your comments, and a lot of the content that we have in the channel here is based on questions, problems, conundrums that we have, and look, we're going to have lots and lots more. So thank you very much for joining us. Congratulations to Hui. You're going to be getting your extract pack very soon. Keep on scooping, everybody, and we'll see you in the next Scoop School video.